tomorrow.
So, so we're talking about it, and we're talking about this. When you rebuild a transmission, this is a band, and there's friction material in here, or clutch band material. This is what wears. Quite honestly, this band, there's a ton of life left in this band.
Is this metal?
This is, on the outside it is a steel band, on the inside it's a composite material.
Yeah, it's thick.
Like a boot.
It's gonna be oily.
Being from 59, is that asbestos?
No, I don't think that one is.
Leather. Did they use that? I bet it's leather.
They
don't
used it in
think- I don't-
brake pads.
I don't think they did in these.
There you go, Chuck. It's coming.
So that as that wears,
Take a bite.
that's what gives you the dark
That's
black
not
stuff in your
rough, it's
pan,
breathing.
or like you just pointed out on the.
Cut
Comes off.
asbestos
valve
things
body.
with the grinder.
It's just it's in
fine.
the fluid.
Yeah, just
so-
breathing.
And this is
It's
not
common.
metal, so it
Fine.
won't get picked up by the magnet.
Right.
I'd rather have 60
And
good
then the
years
clutch
than
is
like
inside
80
the
man
planetary gear
years.
sets.
Pretty good
Also,
I want to be skiing at 100.
Oh shit.
Mr. Obermeyer is.
Where am I hitting?
that daddy and
The fence.
That's all right.
There it goes.
There we go.
Victory. One snap ring. Ooh. Stuff.
Here,
Here, pass around the goodies.
here's a hunk of metal with pointy things on it.
Whoa, it's heavy.
yeah.
He's writing his doctoral dissertation.
So this is the sun gear. Yeah, and if you look, you can see the planetary gears inside the.
Yeah,
next
come
run.
over. Yeah, if you come over here, you can actually see.
Is that it?
I think that's
It's all
machining
stretched
marks.
up. Shimmer? Yeah, that's fine.
Oh. Yeah, no, come in here and you can actually see it. This is the sun. Yeah, he mentioned. Come over here and you can see it. You turn the shaft.
Oh wow.